through the wind and through the rain. Been walking through the streets and finding sweet relief in knowing that it won't be long. Oh, lately it's occurred to me that I've had enough of that. And lately I've been satisfied by simple things like breathing in and breathing out. Never again out in this life will I be taken twice. Occurred to me that exactly what went wrong. I realized I compromised, I sacrificed far too much.